Your microwave oven doesn't need your latest chip. No? Your refrigerator doesn't need a latest chip. It needs a cheap chip. It doesn't need the latest chip. So those kinds of chips they produce. And it only has about $1 billion of capital. In that business, only $1 billion is small. But TSMC would have literally 50 billion of capital. Maybe 100 billion of capital. And the modern fab will cost 15 billion for TSMC. These guys can do it maybe at 500 billion. So it's a lesson I learned, okay, Tata has picked a good partner. Because we can't immediately go to 15 billion investment. It will be even painful even for Tata to afford $15 billion, as big as Tata is. So they picked a good partner where at a smaller scale, of investment, they can get in the industry. Smart strategy like that. But how did I learn? I just simply went online and downloaded. Any of you could do the same thing. In fact, if there is one thing today you take away, obsessively study companies. So I asked, how is the quality of ideas, right? You can give yourself an extra energy by obsessively studying companies. What is that strategy? Ask yourself. And globally, everything is at your fingertips. Everything is at your fingertips. Sitting in Tenkasi in a village for 4.5 years, I have learned so much about semiconductor industry. I have learned so much about the medical equipment industry. Simply download the material and study. That's it. So that's something that I want you to do. And you have to have the curiosity, obsessive curiosity about all this. And you have to have a number sense. Like I told you, I memorized these kind of numbers. I remember it. Oh, it only cost them $1 billion investment. Next time I should remember when we ever created a tech fab. No? That's like somebody comes to me and say a fab is going to cost $5 billion. I can tell them, no, I know one company that only does it with $1 billion. Useful info, no? That's the kind of knowledge that's useful.